Looking through here, Bermuda grass is the workhorse of the golf world in warm climate areas. Unlike the cool season bent grass, Bermuda grass is C4, warm season. Plant that thrives in heat and making it the dominant choice for southern United States golf and tropical global regions. Some characteristics of the Bermuda grass would be that it spreads both above ground and below ground, which makes it incredibly durable and suitable for repairing damages from golf swings rapidly. You don't have to fill your divots. The heat, it loves hot temperatures and intense sunlight. And as the mercury rises, the Bermuda grass enters its peak growth phase, whereas bentgrass greens begin to struggle. This is definitely interesting, but the traffic cart remained foot traffic, that is better off with, which makes it a go-to for warm climate areas because it makes it strong. Typically, Bermuda grass has been considered over bentgrass because of its leaf blade, where resulting in longer and gainier putts, which is modern day technology has resolved for this. We have multiple managing the grain options, whereas a strategic factor of Bermuda grass is the grain. The grass leaves tends to grow towards the setting sun or towards water. This causes putts to break significantly more dependent on the direction of where the traveling grain is. Now, there's definitely some fundamentals to Bermuda grass. Mostly it's hot tropical environment. It's maintain of modest cold risk as well, and its peak performance during the summer seasons. And it does turn brown in the winter months. Overall, Bermuda grass has dominant and turns brown in temperatures below 50 Fahrenheit. And in courses where you are a home region of where you might not rely on it full-time year-round, you might see some regional fairways in the peak season lose its color and play to those typical season changes. Interesting stuff. Get out there and play some golf here in the near future with the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.